So in today's video, we are completely transforming my bedroom into a winter wonderland, holiday, festive, joyful oasis space. I'm just so darn happy and excited with how it turned out. As you can tell, obviously, the decorating is done. But in this video, we are going to clean, we're going to decorate. Whether you've already started decorating for the holidays or you are just starting to now, or you're like, Kat, I'm gonna wait until after Thanksgiving. I totally get it. Whatever your time frame for decorating is, I hope that watching this video now can get you in the spirit and can get you excited. If you are new here, my name is Kat. I make a ton of home and lifestyle videos, a ton of clean with me vlogs and organization, decor, lifestyle, morning routines, night routines, productivity videos. So if you like that type of content, I think you might really like it over here on my channel. So I would love to have you as a subscriber, join the family. I put up new videos every single week and there are so many holiday videos coming. So I would love to have you as a subscriber. Last week we decorated my living room, kitchen, dining room, and all of that was more like the traditional greens, reds, golds, silvers, that type of theme. And we have like a big 9-foot tree in my living room. So if you're interested in seeing that video, I'll have it linked in the description. Okay, first things first, have to make sure that the room is clean before we do any decorating. And I mean, y'all know on my channel, I do enjoy cleaning. Not that I always feel like doing it, but for the most part, I find it therapeutic and I like seeing a space go from clean to messy, but especially when we're doing a clean and decorate with me and I know that after I clean up I get to decorate, it's so much more exciting and more motivating. And as you can tell, a huge part of the mess today was just clothes everywhere. There was a lot of laundry to do. The weekend before this, Tim and I were actually in North Carolina celebrating his brother and his brother's fiance's like a bachelor/bachelorette weekend for them because they are getting married in December, which is so exciting. So there were a lot of clothes from the weekend that had to be washed, and my sister had stayed at the condo to watch Callie for the weekend, so I had to wash some sheets as well. Onto my makeup table, I have some cleaning and like putting away makeup from the trip in here as well. I don't know if you can kind of tell when the drawers open, but this is definitely a spot in my home that needs some attention. That drawer has just gotten so cluttered and packed full, and so it is on my declutter project list. I've talked about that in other videos where I think it's really helpful to have a running list of declutter and organizing projects that you want to get done in your home. And then a little tip I have is next to the project, give an estimate of about how much time that project will take you. And that way, when you're just kind of hanging out at home, if you have a few minutes and you're like, oh, you know, I could just sit here and watch Netflix, or I could go work on a project and get something done while I watch Netflix, you could take a look at your declutters project list and then pick something and get it done.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is on.
And obviously this is not just a clean with me, it's a clean and decorate with me. And I guess technically it's a clean, undecorate, and decorate with me. As you can see, we have to take all my fall decor down. However, I know that next year I'm gonna be so darn excited to decorate for fall again. And right now I'm really excited for Christmas. And I cannot wait to share with y'all how the dresser turns out with all my Christmas decor. I'm in love. Is that time of year again when it's getting colder. I live in Connecticut, so right now it ranges between like the 50s, 60s, but at night it can be like 30s or 40s, so it gets pretty chilly. So I'm switching out our blanket insert for like a thicker duvet insert, which is so warm, so fluffy, so cozy. Honestly, every time that I put this blanket out, it just makes the bed seem so much more luxurious and inviting. It's the the next night, if you can't tell, I have a whole new outfit on. Are these not the cutest pants? Tim actually picked these out. I think they're so cute and they're really soft. $10, go to TJ Maxx. The bed's a little messed up, so we'll fix that, but we are about to put the tree up and then we're gonna get the garland. But first we're gonna move this mirror. For a while, my plan was to like build some sort of frame for it, but Tim and I were talking, and I think the amount of work we would have to put into it and like paying for the wood and stain and everything, at that point might as well just buy a bigger mirror that's already got like trim around it. They're gonna end up donating this, or I don't know if anybody that I know wants it, but I do not want this mirror here anymore, and that space is reserved for the tree.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
All right, on to arguably the most exciting part about decorating for Christmas, setting up the tree. And guys, if you are interested in the flocked tree look and you've never tried it, so you don't want to spend too much money on a flocked tree, or maybe you already have a flocked tree and you want to add one to your collection, go to Walmart. I got this tree last year for $30. Only $30 for a 6-foot flocked tree. That's pretty incredible. Obviously, it's not the fullest tree. It's not, the highest quality, but for that price and, what I want it for just in my bedroom, amazing deal. All right, step number 1 after you've put the tree up and kind of flocked out all the branches is to add lights. And I chose to go with battery powered lights like the fairy lights one. There's just something so whimsical about fairy lights, and they were very inexpensive. I got the pack for like $13 off of Amazon. I love fairy lights. They are beautiful. I love the style, the look of them, but they are a pain in the butt to put up. Let me know if you have worked with them and you agree. They just get tangled so darn easily. So you can see I was struggling to get these up, but once they were up, totally worth it. I love the look that they give.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew.
All right, so like the tree, this garland is also from Walmart. The garland, this amazes me. This garland was $15, not pre-lit. I added the fairy lights to it as well. But it's just crazy to me that this garland was $15, the tree was $30, and the quality of them are the exact same. If you're trying to get that flocked winter wonderland look in your bedroom or your kitchen or your dining room or your living room, whatever it is, this is an incredible set for $45. You can get the tree and the matching garland. So I'll have them linked in the description. And if you wanted to test out the quality for yourself, my Walmart at least had that tree on the floor so you could go see it in person before you decide to buy it, but I will have it linked in the description. Moving on to the dresser. First, I'm bringing my Philips. This is a Philips Sunrise Wake Up Lamp. It wakes you up like the sun. Really love this thing. And since I had unplugged it, I had to reset the time, which if you're curious, it was like 7:10 in the evening when I was filming this, just fun fact. And then I'm bringing in all of the decor pieces for my office that I think I'm going to want to use and playing around with where to put stuff and arranging it. That to me is one of the most fun parts about decorating, is just moving things around, seeing how I like them. And I absolutely love how it turned out. Now for my nightstand, I didn't have a neutral candle, but I knew I really wanted to add a candle on here. So I just took this white pumpkin one that I had from the fall and turned it around so you don't see the pumpkin. And I feel like that works out well. Now to decorate the tree, first I'm adding this ribbon, and I feel like I did not honestly do it. Like I feel like I see all these professionals and really incredible decorators putting the ribbon on so professionally, and it looks beautiful. And while I do love how I did this ribbon, I feel like, you know, it could have been a little more polished, but I got it on the tree and that's all that matters. Starting to add all of the ornaments to the tree, I have this set of like white, gold, champagne colored ornaments, which I bought them last year. I just thought they were beautiful and they were a good price from TJ Maxx, but they are glass ornaments. I feel like with glass ornaments, they look beautiful, but it's just a little, keeps me on edge because I'm afraid they're gonna fall and break. I just paid extra attention to really attaching each little ornament hook to the branches. But I'm curious, do you typically use glass or plastic ornaments? And then this is me remembering that I didn't put up my glittery reindeer yet. I love these. I feel like I say that a lot, but I guess that makes sense, right? This is all my decor, so that's why I love it all. But I got these reindeer from the Dollar Tree last year, and I just think it looks so magical and whimsical having them look like they're like prancing over the tree on the wall.
The halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Done when I was gay, a pair of la 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 la.
And then this is me realizing that I still have to put up this beautiful sign that I got last year from Hobby Lobby. The Polar Express is one of my favorite movies, and this sign that says Believe just reminds me of the song Believe from the Polar Express. And I love the wood tones from the back, and then how the Believe sign is silver glittery. It matches the reindeer, and then I feel like the tree and ornaments, and it just, I don't know, I'm so happy with how all the colors came together. And no, I did not forget about our quote of the video. Today's quote is probably one of my absolute favorite quotes that I've done so far in the series, just because one, it's Christmas related, and two, as I just talked about, The Polar Express is one of my absolute top favorite Christmas movies, and it kind of goes along with the sign Believe, so I thought this was perfect. Believe in what you feel inside and give your dreams the wings to fly. You have everything you need if you just believe. Kind of makes me feel like I should be singing, but I have a terrible singing voice, so I'm not going to do that to y'all. But I feel like this quote speaks for itself. I love the motivation and the positive message behind it, and I love that it's from the Polar Express. Let me know in the comments if you've seen that movie. One of my favorites. I'm so happy with how it's looking so far. Since it is, what time is it? 8 o'clock at night. I'm not going to vacuum right now. We'll vacuum in the morning. I actually went to Walmart like right before filming this trying to get a tree collar. I want to get like a woodsy toned tree collar or something like that for this tree, but they didn't have anything. So I'm gonna probably order one on Amazon and we'll add that in an upcoming video. I don't know what it is about those reindeer and then this Believe sign, and it just all looks so beautiful. I think I'm gonna end up switching this tree out. I don't know. I love this tree. I'm gonna put it somewhere else, maybe in my office, but I feel like that green does not match with these other greens. Actually, we're just removing it right now. I don't think that looks good. I guess you'll move over here. And then you guys go like that. I kind of want something to go. I do want something else to go there. I just don't know what yet. I like how I did this year a lot better than I did last year, actually. We'll have to find somewhere else to put this. And for right now, I think Tim and I are gonna go watch MasterChef. And then tomorrow, well, for you in a few seconds, but we'll come back, vacuum up, see if I can find anything else to put on the makeup table. Otherwise, we'll just leave it the way it is. Do you like the Christmas decor? Look, you could see she's starting to get a little white in her eyebrows. You wanna show them your Santa beard? Oh, look at your little Santa beard. She's very festive. You guys, welcome to the next day. Again, this is day 3 of this video. I feel like a trend lately in all my videos is that it's been like an accumulation of a handful of days just because, I don't know, decorating for Christmas and cleaning for the holidays is fun, but it's a lot. But it's fun. We have our baby right here, of course. You wanna say hi? You saying hi by wagging? But as I said last night, we did not vacuum underneath the tree, and I feel like the carpet in general, I need to vacuum in here. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and then I don't know if there's really any other cleaning other than vacuuming that we have to do, but if there is, we'll do that. I don't think there is though. Finally, on to vacuuming. Normally, if you've seen my recent videos, Callie is always like trying to attack the vacuum whenever I'm using it. But today she was just a lot more chill. She's like, no, you go ahead and vacuum. I'm just gonna lay here.
All the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
This part, comment believe. I didn't even have to think about that. I knew what I wanted the comment at the end of the video to be. The Polar Express, one of my favorite movies. Believe. I love the message. I love the sign. I specifically love the sign that I have. I'll have my entire holiday playlist linked above me if you want any more festive videos from me. I have a ton. And I will have my Clean With Me Vlogs playlist and a bunch of other playlists linked in the description. And I love y'all so, so much. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.